Rise and grind, everyone. This is Shane with RedesignYourGrind.com, and today we're going to be talking just a little bit about who I am and what Redesign Your Grind really is. The Redesign Your Grind is something that I designed specifically for the budding entrepreneur looking for tools and resources and knowledge. There are as many different business models as there are entrepreneurs, and to figure out what's going to work for you as an entrepreneur, you need to try different things, but mostly you need to research different ways of being an entrepreneur. Not every business is the same. We need to figure out what business works for you. In this channel, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, private label rights, developing and marketing your own physical products as well as digital products, website design, social media marketing and content, blogging. We're going to talk about a lot of different stuff. So stay tuned and know that I'm just here for you. At the end of the day, I just want to see anybody that watches my videos be successful. I'm not going to promise you that you're going to make $1,000 a day in 3 weeks. I'm not going to promise you that if you pay me money, I'm going to give you a masterclass that's going to make you rich tomorrow. I'm not going to give you promises like that because that's not what this channel is about. What this channel is about is redesigning your grind. Plain and simple. So I'm going to give you tools and resources for free, and I expect you to do what you will with them. In entrepreneurship, in business, in life, you are the only one that is standing in your way. So I'm literally going to wrap it up with a bow and give you everything you need to be successful in any business online today. This is all stuff that you can find. I know because I went out and I had to learn it. Resources like YouTube were never a thing before. Nowadays, you have access to more information and more knowledge right at your fingertips than ever before. So you need to be utilizing that every single day in your life. I understand entertainment is what YouTube was founded on, but it is a huge educational resource, and you would be shooting yourself in the foot if you didn't take advantage of everything out there. What can you expect from me? Essentially, I'm just not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell you exactly how things are, and if you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. If you do find something useful, leave it in the comments below. Like my video, subscribe, share it. What I'm here to do is impart knowledge and experience to you so that you can be the most successful entrepreneur that you can be in 2019. Plain and simple. Thank you so much for watching that little introduction. My name is Shane, and I am excited to redesign your grind. We'll see you in the next one.